something. I didn't really go back to bed after my shift started with the dogs. So yep, I'm still in my clothes from yesterday. The dogs are finally asleep. Cookie sees a squirrel outside, so that's why she's barking. But the dogs are asleep, so I'm going to go ahead and take a quick shower. But first, I needed a little pick-me-up. Even though it's decaf, it's just for the flavoring. I did a peppermint mocha iced coffee, but I did it like whipped coffee style. Cookie, stop, sweetie. You cannot go chase a squirrel. And it came out really good, actually. I'm not surprised because, you know, best barista out there, but pretty good. I think by the time I finish my shower, Cookie will want to do another feeding, so we'll go ahead and do that. And I'll show you guys and bring you guys along because we have a new setup now because we need to take them out of our tub. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started with my day. I was cleaning that because they're putting extra protein and stuff in there. But she is currently feeding the little ones. Four precious little ones. And she's doing such a great job. And then to separate them, just to make sure she doesn't you know, roll on them or anything through the night. We'll put them inside that little box right there with towels from like their scent and stuff, but obviously like we clean that out every day. We cleaned out this already this morning, what they're laying on now. So she's doing such an amazing job, and she's such a good mama. Derek and I slept on that bed today, last night. It's just easiest that way than having to get up from our room and then walk all across the rest of the house to get to her, just in case anything was to happen. I have a package that just came in that I am so excited to open. It was supposed to be here tomorrow, which is Friday, but it's here a day early, and y'all, I'm just so excited for this because I've been wanting these for a while now, and I finally got them. They were back ordered. You hear the word back order, you probably already know what it is. If you're a female, you know them Uggs. Yes, them Uggs. They got me, but it wasn't just like the regular ones that everyone's been getting. I'm gonna show you. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh, these are so stinking cute. Yeah. I'm so excited for these. And the inside is so soft. Okay, I'm gonna try them on. Oh no, I think they're too small. It's too small. Dang. And it's crazy because I got a huge size. I got a size 8. My other Uggs I did have to get a size 9 in, so I'm not surprised. But dang, man. I mean, It's not like extreme. It's just small at the top. It also could just be the fact that I'm pregnant and the fact that my feet are a little bit swollen. They're not. No, yeah, they're a little bit swollen today, actually, which I'm surprised about because my feet haven't really been swollen that much. But they're so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear these. They're so cute. Also, I'm going to throw in some before pictures that I took this morning. But we are getting our bathroom remodeled, our main bathroom remodeled. And it's all basically gutted out, pretty much. And it's looking a little cray-cray. But I'm excited to see the final results because this bathroom's going to look so good. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Here's it gutted out. Even the floors are gutted out. It's just funny how crazy they get.
Oh, I thought you was recording me doing something.
No, I was recording you coming in. What's that?
Yeah. You order something for me?
No. I just want to know what it is.
I don't know. What is it?
I really don't know. I promise you I don't know. I promise you.
Okay.
Let's see. It says it's from Best Buy. What'd you order from Best Buy?
I don't know. What'd you get me?
What'd you get from Best Buy?
Nothing. What'd you get me?
I didn't get you anything. What'd you get from Best Buy?
Oh.
Wait, what?
I got what you wanted.
What?
You just didn't even know.
Why? Aww. Is that why you said you wanted? You're funny. You're funny.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wait, do you see? It's got a 45 megapixel and it's got a 1-inch sensor.
Oh, that's cool.
And the screen is 3 times
the size of this
screen.
one. Yeah.
And it flips.
Yeah.
Yeah, so have fun.
Aw, thank you, baby.
You're welcome. Yeah. What are you
That's
filming?
not, I was going to say, that's not why I was filming, though. You want to come and check out the bathroom?
Oh, Mike did.
The bathroom? It's crazy. Hold on, let me get on the other side of you real quick so I can see your face. Look, look in there.
God dang, bro.
Right?
There is nothing in here.
Nothing in here is completely gutted out.
I was about to poop, too.
Completely gutted out. I'm so excited for it to get done.
Did his thing,
he
though.
did.
He got it all. Wow.
And he did good ripping all of it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited.
Let's see how it turns out.
I know, I took before pictures, so.
I was sitting here thinking that you knew ahead of time. That's why you're filming.
Oh, no, I had no idea. Oh, hello, Cookie. Hello, mamas. Let's see how your pups are doing. Let's see how your pups are doing, Cookie. Oh, they're sleeping. Look at how cute. Look at those faces. That one's got his mouth open while sleeping. You see it? Cookie's feeding her babies. Ooh, one's pooping. That's nasty. that's it for today's vlog. Make sure to tune in because I will be doing an unboxing of the new camera. We will still be checking in daily on those little pups, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.